Please stop calling me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's
That's a good guy.
Yeah.
See, 100% pure. No surprises here. Hey, Riley. Hi, Mom. We have to go. Okay? You're just gonna ignore me.
How do you know that guy?
I don't. A lot of free ting around here. Just probably on the trucks.
Stop moving.
Just a sec, I'm coming.
Why do you want that stupid sign?
Stop it.
It won't go to my room, no? Whoa. I gotta call Allie. Your Nino girlfriend text you and you run, huh? Should steal a sign for your room. Caution. Children at play. Whatever, losers. If you got this text, run it too.
Thanks for welcoming me to school.
It's the least I could do.